Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up with making of this ethnic style pattern kurti. Let me elaborate the pattern. Towards the right side, it's been elevated with the brocade fabric. Enrich the pattern with the fabric button, followed with the gold lace designing. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। चैनल का डिटेल्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पर भी अवेलेबल है। लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट। दिस वुड बी द फ्रंट पैनल and I would be using this floral brocade fabric for the designing. I've trimmed according to my measurements the front panel. Now I would be showing for the neckline, which I'm making the boat neck. Using this fusion for the making of the interfacing neckline, and on the fold I'd be giving the margin line with the neck depth of 3.5 inches and the neck width of 5 inches. Connecting these points with the curved shape like this, and for the interfacing neck strip I'd be making with 1 inch. So marking on the neckline with 1 inch. Now I'll be trimming on these marked lines. I place this neckline markings on this piece of fabric and I'll press it well so that the glue will stick to the fabric. And this is how interfacing neckline would look. I'll conceal this rod just folding it like this. I'll give the stitch. Now on the front panel right side, I've given the neckline markings, and from the shoulder to the waistline, that is approximately 15 inches, I'd be marking the scallops like this. It's just the rough markings to make you visible how the pattern would look. Now the same markings, I'd be transforming this on the fusion. As I said, I'd be going with the length of 15 inches. So approximately I'd be taking this fusion. Accordingly, I will give the markings. I'll now transform the markings of the scallops, placing it like this. So half of the front panel I'd be designing with the brocade. So the same scallops markings I'll transform here. I think you can clearly see it. I lay the fusion glue side on the wrong side of the fabric, and now I'll press it well. Before that, I'll remove on this marked lines. Now I will place this on the brocade and I'll press it well. This is how the panel would look. Now I'll conceal the scallop ridges like this. Aligning this brocade with the front panel, I'll give the stitch on the other side to keep in place. I'll give the rough stitch. Done with the stitching, now I'll remove the extras on this armhole and also the shoulder line. Now I'll place this interfacing neckline. I have concealed it, ensuring the folds should meet. I'll give the stitch just adjacent to this fusion, but before that I'll join in the center to keep in place. Now I'll give the stitch just adjacent to this fusion, giving the neckline shape. Trimming off all the extras. Giving the slits all around the neckline without crossing the thread line. Turning the interfacing neckline towards wrong side, I'll give the top stitch. And done with the top stitch, this is how it looks. Left with the scallops. Now I'll be joining the golden lace. For that I'll be giving the markings of this curved shape like this. On this I'll place a gold lace and I'll give the stitch. Here half an inch I left for the joining of the sleeves. Instead of this golden lace, you can also join the same brocade fabric with the over putty like this. Now on this marked lines, I'll be placing this golden lace. Underneath this scallop, I'll place it and I'll give the top stitch. Finally, I'll give the stitch on the scallops. Now I'd be using the story strings to make the bow ties like this. I made it 4 and using these 4 fabric buttons, on this I'll place it like this and I'll give the hand stitch to secure, and the final outcome is here. Isn't it looking so amazing? I liked this pattern. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And after draping, this is how it looks. This way we can turn our simple plain kurtas to designer patterns. Share your opinion on this pattern. I'd like to see your comments. Hope you liked it. Please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do hit the bell icon to receive the future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until the next time, see you all. Bye for now.